Karaage is one of my favorite things to eat on this planet. So let me show you guys how to make it. Let's go. Start with some boneless, skinless chicken thigh and cut them into bite-sized pieces that look just like this. For the marinade, you're gonna use all the ingredients that you see on the screen and then go ahead and give that a mix with your hands. Cover and let marinate until you lose patience. Now to make it extra crispy, use some cornstarch or potato starch if you have it. Fully coat the chicken in potato starch and then deep fry until golden brown. Made a little sriracha mayo on the side. Crack open a Sapporo and enjoy this delicious crispy chicken that will blow your mind. Buen Provecho.